We're here at Tātuanui in the Waikato, milking 230 Jersey cows on 65 effective hectares. We own a set of Hustler compact soft hands. This is our second season with them, and they've been a really valuable piece of kit for us. We're moving in excess of 300 bales every year on and in and out of the paddock and off trip trailers, and we needed a set of quality bale hands that were going to be up to the job. We'd never had any experience with the Hustler soft hands before, but having had experience with other Hustler products, we've decided that the Hustler soft hands were going to be the ones for us. I like the fact that with the soft hands they've got great visibility. You can see the bale quite clearly, and that to me means less ripped bales and faster loading and unloading of the bales. I like the equaliser bar on the soft hands. It means that when I'm operating the third service, the hands are coming in and out at the same time at the same rate. It makes it very, very easy to stack the bales for me, because I'm always working on a 45-degree angle, and having the bale hands open and close at the same time, it keeps it simple. The soft hands are incredibly reliable, and I expect them to be reliable because they're made by Hustler. The experiences we've had with other Hustler gear are no different to the ones we've had with the compact soft hands. They're reliable, and if something does go wrong, I know it's only a phone call away to the guys at Giltrap, and there'll be some replacement parts coming very, very soon.